done.
Again. You ain't drinking no more. I don't care. Don't even ask.
We are at the Hudson. So, I don't know what to get. Is that a house up there? You see it? How was it? I don't even know how to use this shit. You're supposed to break it, right? Or open it? Something like that. Let's try one. See how it is. Oh. I don't know if I want the sauce. What's this?
Wasabi is spicy. You might not like it. I don't feel it.
Huh? Listen, Look at cheese. I think it says ginger. Ouch. I think better without the sauce. Oh my god! Oh my god! Drink the water. That doesn't lift up the whole. Like literally burned my damn nose. It just went up my nose. That was good. That was freaking good.
It's like a shrimp tempura.
Oh, yeah, that was good. All right, I'm ready for my food. I can see. It's kind of busy. I think the ginger is helping. I still want more food. Me too, I'm sorry. You really want a whole food. That was good. This is spicy though.
Oh yeah, that was
Very spicy. She told me, but I wanted to. Yeah, she told me, but I wanted to try it. Some food. After like 2 hours. Look at our table. It's not gonna fit, but we gotta make it fit. Come. Hi. I don't think you can see me. Okay, you can put it right here. We don't need water. You can take it. Oh, I'm got a fork. Can I get a fork, please?
She wanna jump in the pool.
I need a fork. Alright, we about to eat. After like an hour and a half. And I'm not exaggerating. It's being way long. I just want salt on the fries.
With her life jacket.
First of all, the fries are too salty. Rice. It's actually soft. I think it's basmati rice. Coconut rice. So the rice is hard. Ooh, the chicken. Okay. Tastes good, right? Show? Oh, yeah. See how the chicken tastes. I know I love chicken. Let's see how the chicken tastes. What sauce is that? I don't like barbecue. That looks tomato. Look like tomato. It's a Spanish barbecue. See, look, it's red. It's like. Spicy. The chicken is good, it's just a little spicy. But we are in Harlem, so fries is salt. I just love the view. Got a mac and cheese. I don't know why she has 2 mac and cheese. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna make it Tuesday, make it a pot. That's how it tastes. I'm gonna make this. I don't like this mac and cheese. I don't like how that tastes. That's like something we make in a pot on your own. Yeah. That's how it tastes. Like, I'm gonna make that. Sick. They put too much cheese in there, whatever. It tastes weird. Chicken is good. What's this? What's this chicken? It's good. Oh yeah, how you say it? I don't want to eat no meat though. What is it? Pork? Beef? It's not even well. Is it well done? What is it? It's well done. Okay. But it's still, I still see ready. I still see ready, so I don't know. But it's not bad. This is a little salty. Let's catch up. It's salty. Everything is salty. Fries are salty. You're about to give me a high blood pressure in here. Kimberly, I want to try. Kimberly, you want to try something with me? You taking it home? I am. I ain't want to see no food, girl. We still gonna pay for it, might as well take it home and eat it. Well, not the fries. I can want the fries off. I like the chicken. I love chicken, so. But I would tell you if it tastes bad, because that's how much I love chicken. But it's not that bad. I just don't like the tomato sauce. You pour it, you keep refilling my drink. I'm not even finished. Y'all see why I posted that video? Kimberly all the way. Drink. Yo, you're something else. They're gonna have to sit down.
That's what I said. I'm not taking home no salt.
I got the chicken and the rice and the fries. But none of mac and cheese. And the shrimps. Oh yeah.
Oh, maybe that's a mistake. You're not going to be charged for.
Sure?
It's really salty. Like,
Really? She really told them though. I thought you were joking. She said it wasn't good. It was salty.
I tried to eat it, but it wasn't good.
Right. Oh, she left this. This girl. I already found you over the drink. Oh yeah, we almost finished though. Was it full?
Yes. It was up here. She poured the first pour.
Yeah, you can finish that. It's all you. No. Look at your car. Look at your car.
I'm driving.
Oh yeah, you're
I
right.
drank most of it.
You did. But I don't really. Yo. Oh my god. What the? Kimberly.
I'll drink this. I'll drink this thing.
It's not even strong. I feel a little tipsy, but not like usual. So you could drink it. Cause you're not a lightweight. Look at my coat. Look at my coat. Kimberly coat. Now y'all really see why I put that video. Cause it's really big. Like what the hell? You fill it up all the way to the fucking rim.
You're not trying to.
I know, but it's not strong at all.
Alright, well drink it. Still drink it.
Oh my god, this girl. I'm gonna drink it because I'm not wasting my money, but I made a box for this.
Better not
I'm
wait.
gonna take the food up later. I'm hungry.
I got a whole
I'm full. You said what?
I got a meal.
A free meal. Lucky you.
Good. At least I know if I come again, I'm not gonna order.
Oh yeah, you're gonna order something
At
else.
least I know.
But the rice is good though.
I'll just eat sushi. Like the whole
Really?
Yes.
Like a whole tray of sushi.
I ordered 2 of them.
The view one more time. We about to leave. And I ain't come back here. Kimberly come back here, but I'm not.
What?
I said you come back here, but I'm not.
Only because I'm coming back for the view.
I ain't not coming back. She says she does this. But now look at my drink though. It's still full. I'm about to finish the part. Yeah, you keep refilling all the time. I'm 60. Right. Yeah. Okay, the only reason I'll come back here because you're going to be a moment. Oh Lord, I'm about to cry. I'm going to hate this video. Wait, she said we passed 26 Bring on Mother's Day.
You said 2 or 3.
I do not remember 26 bridges.
It's 3 along right next to each other. It's the Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Williamsburg. Imagine the other ones.
So I think it's the Williamsburg bridge that's by the Domino Park, because that's where it's at. It's like on this side. Domino Park is on this side and the bridge is right there.
Hudson. All the river.
26. Okay, so we wasn't good at this. I didn't notice it was 22 bridges. Wow. But yeah, my mom passed this old area. I'm kind of getting emotional. They're going to take me to the house today. Because I was going to be keeping in the house forever. Not forever, but oh shit, I keep falling. That would have been me too. That would have laughed and helped you. I'm not supposed to be drinking. You see what I'm saying? She said you're embarrassing us. Look, the fork.
Oh my God, just leave it.
Oh my God. No, look, the knife.
That's fine.
Oh, you see what I said? I don't drink. I don't drink, okay? This is what I'll tell you, I'm a lightweight.
Gosh, man, don't make it so obvious.
Yo, it's her holding my hand for me. Yo, she's literally holding my hand.
Look at the baby camera. Man, calm yourself.
Yo, wait. Oh my God, Kimberly.
Okay, next time we're not gonna do that.
Yo, Oh my God, my stomach.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'll wait though. Oh my God. Yeah, but I'll wait. Wait, hold on. She said you coming. It's my guy in the bathroom. Yo. Oh my God, my stomach hurts. Yo, Kimberly's funny. Kimberly's funny as hell. I'm so freaking tipsy. This is why I tell you I don't drink, girl. Cause I don't know. A pina colada. Remember when we used to go to the club, you used to give me the Long Island iced tea? Oh my God. That'd be the worst.
Yo, never again, yo. Never getting a picture again. You gonna get one drink and that's it. Like, I can't even have you drink. Like,
I tell you, my lightweight thing I'm playing. Like, I'm really feeling so tipsy right now. Look how normal she is, and I'm tipsy as hell. Cause she's used to it. She does this. Sorry, she said she does this. But I don't do this, okay? And when I tell you I'm a lightweight, I hope you, now you know.
I'm gonna need a whole drink. Come on.
You don't need a whole. Wait. I'm not though. I'm not even me extra. This is how I really feel.
We're gonna ban them. Just wait until we get out.
That was when we get out. I saw the lady. I saw her.
Sure. All right, let's pack the cocktail.
Oh, wait, what cops?
When we came to
I'm grown. What are they gonna say? I got my ID and everything. Bye. The restaurant. Yo, I needed this though.
calm yourself.
Where the cups?
They're over here to
Oh, they're over there. Oh,
8
shoot.
8 o'clock.
Over there.
They're at 8 o'clock.
She said 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. But I'm saying they can't give me a ticket. They give me a restaurant. They can't do that. I'm good. Is that your phone? Let me hold you. Oh, wait. What was in that drink again? Cause I don't. Cause
Gin.
you know why?
Gin.
Oh, okay.
Drunk.
Because she keep refilling the drink. That's why I'm drunk.
She drunk.
Yo, Kimberly's the best. Tell him why I'm drunk, because you keep refilling the damn cup. And she keep refilling it.
Because if you would have ordered two drinks each, it would have been more than the picture. So I said, you know what, let's just get the picture.
Yeah, which is cool, yeah. But I wasn't finished and she keep refilling the cup.
I drink more than her, but she drank.
Because I'm a lightweight. What you said, you said you do this. So,
I said I do this.
oh my God. She's like, you're embarrassing us.
She should have seen how she was getting on. She's stopping in front of everybody like, oh God.
Because I couldn't walk.
Drop how much
Yo.
and then the white people looking at her like,
Yeah. Oh my God.
don't get out, but.
Oh my God. Oh. Yo, he was a mess. I feel good, but oh, child. Kimberly. Wait, you ain't never. Wait, the last time when we go to the club, I don't be drunk like this.
No.
Because when you give me the cup,
Yeah,
right,
order, like,
a cup, right,
and the cups will be like this small.
and I don't finish the cup sometimes. Damn, yo. It's for
I
weird.
knew you would have got like this. I'd have never got the picture. I'd have just got one and call it a day.
Oh my god. No, it's like I feel good, but at the same time, I don't know how to act. Oh Jesus, it felt good though. I needed this because I've been in the house the whole week, so I needed. So I needed this.
And I gotta go back in the morning.
What time is it? I don't even know. Is it upside down? Oh my god.
It was upside down the whole time. Let me see.
It's upside down. Look. What's on? It was upside down the whole time. The whole time I was recording, it was upside down.
So the video is upside down.
I think I can flip it. This is like the.
I gotta watch you.
I gotta watch you. Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's a walk past. Oh, you pay attention. Oh, you pay here. Oh, look at this. It's hot as hell. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Oh, I don't know I'm recording. Like, this shit is like upside down. Did it?
Yep.
That was quick. In the parking lot. In the
I gotta hold on to you.
Oh,
it's just the way.
see, we don't read signs and stuff. Ah, child.
He's like, oh hell no.
Yo, I feel so tipsy. I'm not even exaggerating. Oh my god. I didn't even know that was him because I had mask on. I don't know how the person look.
It's hot. Why is it so hot? Oh, they need them in like swim trunks and he like
He said, what, swim trunks?
and like fire hose spraying their hair. It's hot.
It is hot. Oh my god, I'm gonna have the best sleep tonight. The good thing,
It's terrible.
it's hot as hell. The good thing,
Walk you in.
it's her walking me to the passenger seat for me. I can open the door. Oh damn girl, your car is hot as hell.
Hot in here.
But to pass the hell out.
It's freaking hot, man. Yo.
Right now, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. And Kimberly's ready to pull over.
You gotta hold it when you throw up.
Cause she knows I'm gonna throw for her car. That's not how the bag right here. She literally just pulled over just now. And she's still driving again. But it's a rocky. This is what I can't do. Jesus Christ, man. Never again. Never again. You're gonna have that by yourself,
I
man.
honestly didn't think it would have been that much. I swore it would have each other.
Oh God, I'm gonna blow up.
Alright, we about to go on a bridge, so hold that.
Oh, that's even worse, yo. The bridge. Oh my God. What? Yo.
Oh, she good. She's just pregnant.
Oh my God.
Alright, put your hand.
It's not coming yet. My mask is on the floor. She said, mind your business. She said she's pregnant. Yo. Okay. It only happened when you're driving. I do have a car sickness problem when traveling far. But I ate, so I don't know because I only had one meal for the day.
You're not drinking
Done.
again. You ain't drinking no more. I don't care. Don't even ask. You ain't drinking.
I ain't asked.
Well, I'm saying next time they'll be like, oh, let me drink. No, not drinking nothing.
No, I feel so sick. in all the years me and Kimberly been friends, we ain't never been through this before. Right? Even when we used to go to the club, we never.
20s, this thing never happened.
Never happened. Yo, that's crazy. Cause like she said, he had a picture, so it was worse. The picture is more.
You know what? Next time, I'm gonna get one drink. You ain't gonna get no drink.
I'm gonna get water. That's what I get. Cause I really don't like drinking. You're good, but I'm not.
I swear I didn't know you was gonna be this bad. Like,
Oh. My phone is upside down again. Oh my god. What is going on? Shit. You dark. I can't even see us. The phone just dropped. I don't feel like taking it off. Y'all gonna be down there for a minute.